Imagine a world where your plate tells a tale, where every morsel carries the weight of centuries. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the unknown, peering through the mists of time to answer a tantalizing question: what will people eat in 2050? But subscribe and become a member of our growing community. Our journey begins in the cobblestone streets of yesteryear, where food was more than just sustenance. It was a symbol of status, culture, and tradition. In ancient times, feasts were lavish affairs, showcasing the wealth and power of rulers. Spices from distant lands adorned banquet tables, while exotic fruits and meats tantalized the senses. But as centuries passed and empires rose and fell, so too did the culinary landscape. The spice trade shifted, bringing new flavors to distant shores. And with the dawn of the industrial age, food production underwent a revolution of its own. Mass production brought abundance to the masses, but at what cost? As processed foods filled pantries and plates, questions of nutrition and health began to surface. And so, as we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, it's essential to heed the lessons of the past. For history isn't just a series of dates and events, it's a recipe book filled with the ingredients of progress and pitfalls alike. So, as we embark on our journey into the future, let us remember that the story of food is a tale as old as time, one that continues to unfold with each passing day. Welcome to the kitchen of the future, where chefs don lab coats instead of aprons and test tubes replace pots and pans. In this brave new world, culinary innovation knows no bounds. Gone are the days of traditional livestock farming with its environmental toll and ethical quandaries. Instead, scientists have unlocked the secrets of lab-grown meat, offering a sustainable solution to satisfy our carnivorous cravings. But the wonders of tomorrow's table don't stop there. Imagine a world where vertical farms tower above the skyline, their gleaming towers a testament to human ingenuity. These urban oases provide fresh produce year-round, free from the constraints of weather and geography. From crisp lettuce to plump tomatoes, the bounty of the earth is within arm's reach, no matter where you call home. And let's not forget the rise of 3D-printed cuisine, where edible works of art spring to life with the press of a button. From intricate pastries to personalized pizzas, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. So, as we savor the flavors of tomorrow, let us embrace the boundless potential of culinary science. For in the kitchen of the future, the only limit is our appetite for adventure. Step into the culinary melting pot of tomorrow, where flavors from every corner of the globe converge in a symphony of taste and tradition. In this vibrant marketplace, the boundaries between cultures blur, giving rise to a new era of fusion cuisine. Picture yourself biting into a sushi burrito, where the delicate flavors of Japan meet the bold spices of Mexico. Or perhaps you prefer a steaming bowl of curry tacos, marrying the aromatic curries of India with the comforting embrace of a tortilla. But the culinary adventures don't end there. In the kitchens of tomorrow, chefs are pushing the boundaries of creativity, reinventing classic dishes with a modern twist. From deconstructed desserts to edible works of art, every plate tells a story, a tale of innovation and imagination. For in the world of tomorrow, diversity isn't just a spice, it's the main course. But amidst the gleaming towers of progress, shadows linger in the corners of our collective consciousness. For the future of food is not without its challenges, and the path ahead is fraught with peril. Climate change casts a long shadow over our agricultural landscapes, its effects felt in every drought, flood, and wildfire. As temperatures rise and weather patterns shift, crops wither and ecosystems falter, leaving farmers and consumers alike struggling to adapt. And as technology marches forward, questions of ethics and equity arise. Who controls the food supply and who gets left behind? As multinational corporations tighten their grip on the global food market, small-scale farmers find themselves squeezed out, their livelihoods hanging in the balance. But perhaps the greatest threat of all lies in the shadows of our own making. As processed foods fill our pantries and plates, obesity rates soar and diet-related diseases proliferate. The very convenience we crave comes at a cost, a toll measured in human lives and lost potential. So as we gaze into the abyss of tomorrow, let us not turn away from the darkness that lurks within. Instead, let us confront it head-on, armed with knowledge, compassion, and a fierce determination to forge a brighter path forward. As the shadows lengthen and the challenges mount, one truth becomes abundantly clear. The future of food is in our hands. But fear not, for with great challenge comes great opportunity. Across the globe, communities are banding together to reclaim their food systems, planting seeds of change in the fertile soil of shared purpose. from urban gardens to rooftop farms, from seed swaps to community-supported agriculture. The seeds of a food revolution are taking root, nourished by the passion and commitment of everyday heroes. But the journey ahead is long and arduous, and we cannot afford to rest on our laurels. We must hold ourselves accountable, demanding transparency, fairness, and sustainability at every turn. So let us raise our voices in solidarity, standing shoulder to shoulder as stewards of a brighter future. Let us celebrate the rich tapestry of culinary diversity that unites us all, honoring the traditions of the past while embracing the promise of tomorrow. For in the end, it is not just the food on our plates that sustains us. It is the bonds of community, the spirit of resilience, and the shared dream of a world where everyone has a seat at the table. So, as we bid adieu to the past and set our sights on the horizon, let us remember that the story of food is far from over. Until next time, remember, the future is delicious,